Awufikanga ugalelekile umthetho kudala kuthethwa ngawo ozobona amaqela ezopolitiko evezela ubala abaxhasi bawo. Lo mthetho ujolise uqinisekiseni okokuba abaxhasi bamaqela ezopolitiko bayaziwa ngokuthe gabalala kwaye unyulo lwasemakhaya lawufika sowuqhuba lo mthetho. Kaloku amaqela ezopolitiko aneenyanga ezimbalwa ezifikelela kuJulayi ukuba achazele ubala ukuba axhaswa ngobani na.
The Act requires all political parties and their donors to declare donations, including donations in kind, that are above the value of 100,000 Rand per year. This means that political parties will be required to declare all donations above the threshold that have taken place between April and June of this year by no later than the end of July 2021.
Ukanti namaqela asakhulayo amancinci abonelelwe kulo mthetho nanjengoko le komishoni icacisa ngokuthe gabalala.
I don't think the commission can with a measure of absolute certainty say that such would not obtain. We do, however, think that the current act, when it commences, it will open the transparency envelope around the issue of party funding such that investigations will be possible where misdemeanors occur.
Inkqubo-buchopho kwezomthetho zithi noko kuzawuba kuhle ngokukubona urhulumente esebenza kakuhle kuwo wonke amabakala.
This is a great win for public participation and participatory democracy because as you are now heading towards local government elections, our citizens can now have a clear picture as to how these political parties are funded, and they can therefore make an informed choice as to whether they're electing someone who has some unscrupulous or suspicious relationship between certain with certain commercial interests, whether there is some form of quid pro quo arrangements they are having with them, that you give me these monies to fund my campaign, I will give you this contract.
Ezimnandi ke indaba zokuba abaxhasi bamaqela ezopolitiko abazi ukutsalelwa irhafu ndingabongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.